Welcome back, guys. In the first video, we created this title block in our layout and also added our name, date, grade, topic, scale, and school. Now we will be going a little bit further. We will be adding some attributes. What are attributes? Attributes are basically some embedded features in text, right? That you can easily edit. You're editable, right? So to activate attributes, we type ATT, enter, and it will ask us to, for a tag, we normally place the little X for the tag, the prompt, you're gonna place name, its first one is name. So for the first prompt, I type NAME, NAME, or use it here, use a text height of 3 mm, right? Name, okay. Then place this X beside name, ATT, enter. Again, place X beside tag, date, DATE, text height is 3, that is good. Select OK, paste this where we want it to be. Spacebar to reactivate attributes. Again, we type that. Prompt, grade, GRADE, OK. And again, we place this here. Spacebar to reactivate. X for the first one. And this one is topic, TOPIC. Text height of 3 is good. Let that stay. Click here. Spacebar to reactivate. 1, 2, 3. Prompt, scale, SCALE. Text height of 3 is good. ATT, enter. Some X, prompt, drawing number, DRAWNO, drawing number. Okay, place drawing number here. School, spacebar to reactivate. SCHOOL. SCHOOL, school, okay. And we click here, escape. So that is pretty much that for that. Now, I can do one of two things. I could convert everything into a block, including the border, or I could take a different approach. I could simply let this alone be the attribute. Let this alone be the, convert this alone as double block. All right. Either work. The thing about you using using under this as a block, it means therefore that you can always insert this into any size paper that you want by after creating your border. All right. So let's do it the easier way as time. Well, let me do the let me it doesn't really matter seriously. Okay, let me do the full thing. Type W block, WBLOCK, enter. It will ask us to, yes, want the object, okay. Select pick point. I pick a point. Now it will ask you to specify an insertion point. Want here to be your insertion point. Here will be your insertion point. It will then ask us to select object. So we click here to select object. Now I'm going to select all of this block, all of this. Enter. All right. It will now, it requires that I state where I want this, the name for this block, and where I want to save it. Currently, I have some existing block which I created a folder for my blocks and I save them in that folder. Here I have some blocks that I have created in previous classes. Now I need to name my block. I will be labeling this block legal 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 sheet SHEET legal sheet title TI legal sheet legal sheet legal legal sheet title TLEBLOCK legal sheet title block. Okay, all right, and okay, and that has now been converted to a block. Let us test this block to see if it works. For that, I'm gonna create a new layout or a new drawing sheet. Click on this, and this is that. Now this comes out as A4, and to confirm that, click measure distance. Click here. Click that point, this point. So we have 297 by 210. We want a legal size paper. It means therefore that we need to change this paper size. To do that, right click on the layout tree, and we can rename this from here also. So we're gonna rename this legal 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 size. That is good. Escape. Right click on this again and go up to page setup manager. From there, go to modify. From modify, change from your private printer to Microsoft Printer PDF. Also change from the paper size from A4 to legal. Change your unit from inches to millimeter. Then click OK. Now change to monochrome as well. Landscape is good. OK. Close. Now the sheet of paper has changed from the A4 to legal. Next, I'm going to click on this viewport to delete it. Then I type insert, INSERT, enter, and I can browse, then click browse, and it will take me to where I just created my block. Here I have the legal sheet title block, so I click this 2 times, then I select OK. And here is the here's the title block, which I can insert. I can insert here at this point. Here it will give me a chance instantly to populate this with school, KC, drawing number, not applicable, scale, not applicable, topic, title block, TITLEBLOCK, and attributes ATTRIBUTES, grade, grade 11, pool 1, POO, well, it's grade 11, date, today is the 3rd of the 2nd, 2021. Name Christoph, Christopher. Then select OK. And as you can see, this has been populated with all the information that I just provided. Quick and easy. All right. Now, let's go to model space. So you have just created your title block, created your W block. You created your sheet size, created the double block, you have everything. Now you are ready to add stuff to this. Let's go to model space and draw something. Draw a circle, draw a rectangle. Yeah. Draw something here. Let's draw anything you want to draw here. Yeah. Now we are going to then click here, enter. Now go to the legal sheet which is just created. You will notice that there is nothing there, To bring those drawings into the sheet, into the layout or onto this drawing paper, you must click either layout or type MView. Click layout, click on this, click this point, click probably up to here or to where you want it to be, anywhere. Let's click here and watch that. This pops up. You could also scale this from here. Click 2 times into this to scale it, whatever you want to scale it to. To scale it, you can click outside, click onto this. You can scale this by one of 2 ways, well, 3 ways. You can scale it by clicking on the viewport. You could also scale it by property, by clicking the viewport, right click onto property and scale it from there. You could also scale it from down here by this section here. So let's see, let's right click, properties, viewport. So here we can add a scale of 1 to 5, 1 to 8. When you scale from viewport, it pretty much show you how the drawing look. So this is 1 to 1, that is 1 to 2, that is 1 to 5, that is 1 to 4. So I click 1 to 4, and this drawing is now scaled at 1 to 4. I can click inside here, move, do not pan, and I could lock this viewport. So I could click here, click below here to lock this viewport. It means therefore that no matter how you zoom and pan, this will not change. All right. So guys, that is all there is to creating title block, adding attributes, creating your name, date, inserting or creating viewport, scaling the viewport. That's pretty much all there is to it. I'm a little bit over time. I will have to go. Stop.